Bell the cat. Friends, rotins, country mice, lend your lugs and gie advice. You've gathered here a goodly crew to discuss what we are to do about the presence on these premises o' yon Deal the cat, what is our nemesis. She pads about on silent feet, she makes our orphan bairns greet, dealing death frae jaws and claws, taking us off for Johnny Raws. Then up and spak a young moose fine, a brainy chiel they called Einstein. I hae gien this problem muckle thocht, now listen to solution brocht. We'll tak a bell, put it on a string, around Pussy Bodrin's neck to hang, then should she creep or try to pounce, ding-a-ling the bell will bounce. Hurrah! The Muirine shouts rang out, that's what we'll do, we'll cock a snoot, tyranny nae mair shall reign, nae feline worries e'er again. Then up an eldern moose did speer, what ane of yous will volunteer to bell the cat wi' risk o' violence? This question broke forth the sound o' silence.